Here's how to import a PDF into Figma without using any plugins. Click the Figma menu icon in the top left corner and go to File, then select New. Choose FigJam. This is Figma's built-in whiteboard tool. Once the FigJam canvas opens, simply drag and drop your PDF file directly onto it. Give it a moment to upload, and your PDF pages will appear on the canvas. Now, select the content you want to bring into Figma. Highlight text or click on images and copy them with Ctrl-C. Now, open your regular Figma design file and paste with Ctrl-V. Your content will appear directly on the canvas. Text comes in as editable text, and images come in crisp and clear. You can then move, resize, and style everything just like any other Figma element. No downloads, no third-party tools, just Figma's built-in features working together. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.